welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset TCL AC remote. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If you want to reset your TCL AC remote, then you will need to follow some steps. Resetting your AC remote can depending on the brand and model, but here are some general steps you can follow. First, remove the batteries. Open the battery compartment and take out the batteries. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. Second, press the power button. While the battery are out, press and hold the power button on the remote for about 10 to 30 seconds. This helps discharge your residual power. Third, reinsert the batteries. After waiting, put the battery back into the remote, ensuring they are inserted in the correct direction. Fourth, check the reset button. Some remote have a dedicated reset button, often located in the battery compartment. If yours has one, press it. 5. Turn on the AC. Point the remote at your AC unit and try turning it on to see if it is respond. If those steps does not work, consult the user manual for your specific AC unit. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.